have her number?
Her cell number?
Do you have Onyoma's number?
Yes, of course I have it.
Give me your phone.
For what?
Give me your phone. Let me place a call right now.
Ozzy.
Let me have your phone first. Don't worry. I got the number. Okay. I'm going to dial her.
You know what? Let's just forget about this.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Hey, come on. Oh, God.
Hello? Oh, network.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
No,
it's not connecting.
Okay.
Can I have the phone?
Come, it's going. Oh, see, when she picks, don't just go straight to say hello. No, it's not romantic. Just use romantic voice to say something like hello or hello.
Don't just forget this.
She has picked. She has picked. She has picked.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, Charles. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine.
You want something?
Was wondering if I could take you out sometime or something, you know? Lunch, dinner.
You mean like a date?
Oh, no, not at all. Just, just fun, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, that would be nice. So when would that be? When will you be free?
Sorry?
I said, when will you be free?
Today will be okay, yeah. I think it's cool, yeah, today.
Alright, later then. And Charles.
Yes?
It seems you are bored.
Yeah.
See you later.
That wasn't easy!
No! You see? You have tank. You have Uzi.
Oh my God! She accepted.
I told you.
She said we're going to see today.
I told you.
Today I'm seeing
I told you.
Oh my God!
But don't forget to thank me.
Of course. All the time, I give you the thanks.
That's it.
I'm coming. You're
coming. Look at him. I told you. That's how we roll. What is that? Very simple thing. You don't even need to begin to... Wait, so. It's Onyoma we're talking about here. God. What if eventually she accepts him? That means I'm out of the game. Boy, no. I can't take it. It can't happen. No! It can't.
Driver, look at me. Brother,
Alpha.
driver.
You call me for everything else.
Yes, you are driver,
Call
wallah.
me pilot. I am a pilot, man.
Listen,
Yeah.
stop deceiving myself. Pilot is that I go play for up. Driver is just I go drive Dangota, Achine the young Shagiro, and every other motors in the country.
And the gateman is that somebody that works in collaboration with dogs at the gate.
In collaboration
with dogs at the gate.
Driver, this thing is an absolute insult.
Let me tell
Come
you.
on, my friend.
What is that?
Am I crazy? What is wrong with me?
I'm just trying to explain to you what you don't know.
They are compelling me to do.
Your colleague.
Colleague. Now you are my colleague, driver. Well, it's a trust remember that I don't care about what you're saying. I want to ask me a question. That's after I play. I'm confused about you now.
Why?
This one, now you are good dress like Oga. I go tip Oga kill it. For me. Poison day my cup. I go pose down. Sorry, my wife, you know good place. Now by side you go down. I go control like this. Person like a willow, like forget. The time I will come there to my office to come and tell me, please, Aliboke, I'm very sorry, but I help me break Moga because of the problem I was tipping my kilot. Please.
Nothing of such will happen. Let me tell you, level has changed.
Level.
We are upgrading.
Upgrading.
Let me tell you what you must hear.
What I will hear?
Oga and I, we have a date today.
I got to date.
A lunch date today. Beautiful dance. We want to go eat and drink and enjoy. So you go check the gate while I check the car.
Deriva. I got lunch. I got to date.
Me, I have a date. You go to the gates.
It's been over 20 years since I went home. But I could very easily be thinking of making my stay on that.
Wow, that would be nice.
Yeah, not immediately though, but sometime.
And we'll all be here to welcome you.
You know a lot about me. Tell me about you.
I don't know much about you. Alright. I'm the first of 3 children, a lawyer working in my dad's firm. My dad's a lawyer, a son.
That is influence.
You can see that in the hotel. What do you want to know?
Since you asked, you're single?
Yes.
But taking someone somewhere?
No. Not that I mind though. So, your turn. Are you in any kind of relationship? a girlfriend in the States.
Are you trying to drag the truth out of my eyes instead of my lips? Huh?
Whatever. It seems you're avoiding the question.
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm not.
This place is so beautiful. I hope their food will taste as good as this place was.
Yeah, it's, I've been here a couple of times. They're good. They're doing well, yeah.
That's nice.
I must confess. You look gorgeous. So gorgeous.
You look good. Thank you. So, seems like you get along well with Uzi.
Yeah, Uzi, my driver. Yeah, why do you ask?
We're just making conversation. You know, he's so funny guy.
Yeah, it's so erratic. Yeah, you're right. Very correct. You know, you make me feel at ease. A real occurrence. Yeah.
My pleasure.
All right. Let's take our drinks. Hey, Uzi! Uzi! Uzi!
Welcome.
Let's go.
Go.
Hey,
name.
Come on. Hey, are you still cooking? I'm still cooking. Hey, my dear, my food no dey cook.
What happened? My sister. What is happening in this house?
So saying that this our guy is not been serious. He's fine man.
Now that one they vex you.
You don't see me. See
See my back, see. Everything.
See, you wear bongo, not be when they wear leggings. You don't see the kind clothes where they wear.
My sister
make that man not see. Be like say that man no they see.
Does it matter? My sister, I'm suspecting him. Does it mean that this man is a homosexual?
Homo okay. Let me tell you, even if he's a homo or even if he's impotent, Ngozika, I no one know. For me, me Ngozika, I no go allow him. I go follow him. If whether he like it or not, me. I mean, you know one as they see me so from cooker now, cook the cookers. I will come become madam.
Do you know the stuff? Sometimes I will be taking my bath half naked. Yet he will just pass me. He won't even look at me. Hey!
Now. What is this now? About
Okay, which one is this one?
What is the
mother?
and the security of this compound? Okay, listen. I warn you for the last time. How many times have I told that to me? Don't call me Aliboki. I am the officer in charge of this compound. Is actually when I do something, I'm in control. Listen, the first time I see two of me, I was happiness because there is food for me. Look at you, I get to my upper chamber. They see me, I get to my backyard. Very comfortable and comfortability. That is stop making noise, my friend.
Don't try this thing next time. Don't try it, oh.
She be happy that they like me. Officer, she is interested in you. Get out of my friend. Even you, ba?
Even
listen.
No talk to me.
Listen, don't talk to me. If be happy with me, they like and you go.
Driver go come press my bumbo. Now this girl cause all this thing. Aboki go even come press my bumbo. Imagine Aboki dey even press my.
So, this is me.
Yeah, this is you.
Don't you want to come in?
I was wondering, it's pretty late. I don't know.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. I understand.
Okay.
All right. Good night then.
Yeah. Good night. I had fun with you more than I've ever had in a long time. Yes.
Same here. Same here.
So I have to run along.
Yeah. You have to. Good night.
Yeah.
Good night. Good night.
house rent. Pay it.
I'll pay you.
Is it?
Please.
You thought you were trickish? I saw you. I monitor.
I wasn't actually doing you.
What were you doing?
This leg was bad, so I was actually like...
Because you're owing me, the leg started giving you problem.
Yeah, please give me some time.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. Let me have my money now. Every time you're causing trouble, owing me, giving excuses, when will it end?
Sir, please remove right now. The most important thing is that I will pay the money. But the right now is where the problem is.
See what will happen. 2 of us will stay here till tomorrow. But a very serious note. Hey.
Okay, you're welcome.
What
do I offer you?
My money. My money.
Your money. Sir, actually the money I have here is not... Yes, it's not actually complete, but I will give the balance very soon.
Well, what is this?
Money.
It's not even half of the money you're owing me.
I know, but it's to show you that I'm not running away. That's why I'm giving you this.
Even if you want to run away, you think you can run away from me? It's my house.
I know.
You can't run to anywhere.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uzi,
Sir?
be very careful.
Yes, sir.
Be very careful.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
How much is it?
It's 3.
Let me see.
Yes, sir. It's 3,000.
Be very careful with me.
Yes, sir.
I didn't build this house for people to come and be free.
I know.
Huh?
I know.
Whatever you want to do, go and walk. Get me my money.
Yes, sir.
Cook Adi, what? Cook Adi, what? Next time I come, huh?
Yes, sir. I'll pay.
I won't tell you what will happen that day.
Yes, sir.
I'll not tell you.
Yes, sir.
When I come, be prepared.
Thank you, sir.
Cook Adi, what?
Oh.
Huh?
Hey!
Chimo. Jesus. Nonsense. Are you okay?
Yes.
What's the meaning of that? See, the next time you try this thing, I will kill you in this house.
Kill me for what? You can't kill me. You can't do anything. You can never kill me. What are you? Don't look at this girl. Push me down. For what? Nah, I'm not gonna mind another push. Your hand is so soft. Even the ground that you pushed me on, softer. Hi. I'm not gonna mind take 2 or part 2 of this pushing.
Hello? Bia. Matthew, I have told you, stop calling my line. What is your problem now? See. You're crazy. Guy, are you rich? No. Fine. My father does not like poor men. I need a rich man. No, stop calling my line. Come on, arrange this thing very well. What is wrong with you? Come on, take Jerry. Rubbish. You're still here? I said leave me alone now, poor man. Abeg, what is that? Look for himself. Here. Baby, what's the problem now? It's not that stupid Uzi or Uzikwendo, whatever he calls himself. Eh? Can you imagine that stupid guy? Grabbing my Bobby. What's up now? What's up? You're lost. Madam, Asle, Oya, kitchen. Go and cook. I said kitchen!
I'm arranging my food.
Arranging what? Which stupid arrangement is that one? I said get away from here. Swear to God there. If I get you there,
If I get to you, you're going to visit the dentist and even optician. Aya, kitchen!
Not to talk of a gynecologist. Get away from here now before I smash your head.
Oh, don't worry. Let's not behind you.
Tell Papa too.
Stupid thing.
Shush her out.
Rubbish. My dear. Who is making my sister feel like this now? Okay.
See, as I did so now, I won't fight with somebody. Is it that stupid guy? Okay, let me just see the way they take her phone. Me, I did my own, they sweep backyard. I don't find this nonsense guy's trouble. Then this stupid guy came from behind and then hugged me. Girl, he hugged me. I said, no, I don't do him. He grabbed my chest. What's up now? What's up? See, this is not funny.
No, I'm not laughing.
I better leave me alone, Jack. It's not funny. What's that now?
No, man, I'm not laughing at you. I'm just trying to correct one thing.
Correct one thing?
This thing here is not
touch my
it's not called chest. This is Bobby. Sumptuous one. Beautiful.
Is it not in my chest? Is it not in my chest? See, that's not the point. The point is that in the next time he tries it, God knows, I swear to God, if I will smash his head. What nonsense is that? In fact, if he sees me in this house, he should run. He should run.
You better calm your temper down. Not be you and say you like him.
Like
the guy don't buy your likeness now. Can't they hold you for here and for
see, want yourself. Leave me alone. Want yourself. No, you should try it next time.
What's that quotation in the Bible?
Corinthians.
Yeah, verse what? 5.
Mommy,
good morning.
Good morning. Why did both of you bully Choma?
Bully what? Yeah.
Mommy. Yeah, Dubeze, did we bully Choma?
Hey. Tell me.
She?
How for you?
No.
She came to me, said you people chased her out while she was arranging her clothes. Just for you to gossip.
Mommy, don't mind that. I know she's just being
Mommy, baby. I only told our sweet, lovely Chioma here to go and arrange the kitchen and cook food. Finish. So that Udubeze will sweep the compound and then me I'll prepare the breakfast. Finish. Mommy, you know you taught me that we should be doing division of labor. And I said to give my sisters different jobs to do in the house. Haba, Chi, why are you doing like this now? Chi?
Why do you sound as if there's something else, Choma?
Mama, honestly, these two were just there gisting.
Mommy, what did they do you? Mommy, don't mind. You know, you took the baby this girl. That's why. You safe. Mommy, you know what then? We want you to just go and rest. You and Papa. I don't want two of you to stress yourself today. We're going to cook. We're going to do everything and serve you guys. I'll wake you when the food is done.
Thank you, my dear. You really, please, I really need this rest.
Yeah, I know.
My back ache is getting
It
worse.
has started.
Hi. My back ache. How can you be having back ache when Udubeze, I and Choma, our lovely sister here, is around?
Mommy, no.
Sorry. Mommy. She go and buy a boniki baby, yeah? No, ma. It's mine now. You buy a boniki baby so that Udubeze will help massage.
I'll one touch.
Yeah.
You go.
Okay. Mommy, go and rest.
I'll go and rest, eh? Choma, you have to do as your sisters asked, eh? It's okay. It's okay, eh?
Mommy, don't mind that.
Mommy, go and let her, eh?
Tell me.
See both of you, eh? You see
Mommy, don't mind that.
Shut.
You went and reported us. You want to hit you, eh? You want to strangle you. The next time you try it in this house, I'll kill her. Get out. Get out. Get out from this place. Oh, get out. Is she still there? Come on, get away. Get out, friend. Get out. Close the door. This girl. Stupid thing. Can you imagine this nonsense girl?
Rubbish. Mommy. Do I blame you? Imagine me even calling her Chommy. Rubbish. I don't even understand.
See, you see that stupid guy, yeah? See that stupid driver? Don't worry, another day will come.
But seriously, you safe. Waiting. Who was that? How will you go and tell mommy that we're going to do everything? You just went and piled work on top of our head now.
How do you want to make her take money? I have to tell her something so that she will go now. Or did you want her to know that we were finishing this stupid girl? I have to say something now. If not, if we not disturb you, I go cook her. You
cook everything, no. You even sweep this house.
I beg, forget that one. So what's up now? What's up with the bobo? What's up with the bros?
Boss what? Which boss again?
Which they for her? Which they do? I beg, what's up with Uzi's boss?
Oh, what's this now? I'm trying to be happy this morning. If I just Mama has come her own, Choma, and not even you. See, anytime I hear this child's name, my mind used to do me, and I'm not comfortable anymore with it.
Why?
I've been calling this guy, he's not picking my call, and you're trying to make me feel sad this morning again.
Sorry, I didn't know now. I didn't know. Ndo, sorry. So is this one you're sounding like this? Are you like in love with him? Don't tell me you don't fall for that guy. Sorry. You don't see yourself for mirror this morning. People will find like you know, they vex anyhow. Yeah. Papa's size.
You started again now, Abi. I don't like it.
Okay, you know what's gonna happen? I want make you vision one thing. I want you to imagine yourself as you can't dress. Yeah? Come on, one tight leggings like we go pop out your backside, we go add themselves more. Thing go come long. You know that kind of thing. Come find one bra with they padded. We go give you better body. Then come find one correct heel. It'll be all these 10 inches, about 15-20 inches. Come climb. Come long. Hey! If you come walk, that guy can't see you. If you imagine him.
Serious.
Hey.
I'm just imagining something now. The kind of step I'm going to.
Come on, walk.
Something just came into my head. I'll just wear all those things now, and my step will change.
Watch. Walk him, make us see him.
Wait, let me wear my step.
Walk him, anyhow, walk him.
And you know that thing will not be very tight like this.
It has to.
Hey, and I'll start walking like
Hey!
Mommy,
So you go make sense.
yeah, it makes sense. Hey!
I go arrange me, I go arrange her.
Arrange her, but how you want to arrange her now?
The only thing that will happen here is say that stupid Lucy. You go enter the jail. Because I believe. It's not this one. What is funny?
Wait, which Lucy? The one way you push come out outside.
Forget that one. But nobody go arrange her. Now my parole be that. You only say make arrange her, make you go later.
I beg, make her go cook breakfast.
Give matter for me, I go do am. Don't worry.
What is it? What is not true?
This is not true now. Tell me this is not true.
I don't understand. What's going on?
Izzy, how could you?
Do what?
How could you do this to me, Izzy?
I don't still understand you. What did I do, Nambiko? What did I do?
I've told you love you.
Yes, I still have to love.
You went ahead and started pressing my sister.
No.
You went ahead to chase my sister. She told me herself. How could you do this to me,
She
Izzy?
was lying. I did not.
Okay, now you like my sister, Abi?
No,
sister that you
it
like.
is you. Say, listen. Let me tell the truth. It was actually your sister that was coming for me, but I rejected her because of you. Yeah, she was actually the one that was pressing me. She had even told me I'm a very handsome man. That's exactly when I knew she was lying. When she said I was,
My sister?
Yes.
What depends?
Ask her. Ask anybody. So the love I have for you is still there. And I'm going to prove it to you right now. No, I won't, baby. Wait, I'm sorry.
Do this.
Sorry, baby. I still love you. I'm going to prove to you that my love for you is still intact. Please just come with me. No, listen. I'm just preparing Indomie. So come and help me add some spices there so that it will see, baby. Please now, baby.
This is not fair.
I still love you. I swear. I swear. Let's go. Let's go now. Please. Let's go. Come. Baby. Come. No. For you to prove to me that you still care, take your hand and open the door. Come on. Open it. In your mind now you're saying yes, but in your mouth you're just saying no. Open the door so that when we go there, you open the door. Let's go. Don't worry. No, don't worry. Sorry.
My man has told me how you tried to seduce him and snatch him from me. You think I don't know?
Sorry, so did you say your man? Your man? Did you say your man? Biko, which man?
Your man? Who is this man?
In case you don't know. Who's he, of course?
No. It's not funny to me.
Anyway, so Uzi is who me? I'm trying to snatch from you. Uzi. Anyway, you're not up to who me should explain to. If you
I don't need your explanation. I don't need your explanation. You're just a man snatcher. That's what you are. You find your own man. You'll be looking for my own.
Come on, shut up. come shut up your mouth. Are you okay?
Shut up, my friend! Are you crazy? What is wrong with you?
I'll just strangle you here now. Shush rats.
Is it happening again? Is that thing that used to happen at night? Has it happened again? They don't even know who's seniors in this house.
Just tell her.
Is she your mate? I think it's hard time. We tell you that you're the smallest in this house. What is wrong with you? Has that started in your head again? You know what? Oh yeah, inside. I said inside. Go and prepare food for this night.
Is she not talking to you? Are you okay, this girl?
Nothing. Oh yeah, inside.
Shush rats.
In fact, come back here. Come here. Come here. Sit down here. Oh yeah, sit down there, my friend. I said sit down there.
Make she not come near me, oh.
Stupid
Make she not come near me, oh.
Sit down there. Sit down. Carry this thing. Peel it. Peel it and cook food this night. So I will know when you have time to go to Uzi's room. Useless girl.
Don't worry. It's mommy that is pampering you. It's not your fault. It's mommy that is pampering you. It's not your fault. If you talk to me now, you have it though. If you talk to me now, you have it. Nah, this is your mirror. I can't see anything in this side.
If you don't can't see, drop it and let me discuss something important, I beg. Drop it first. See, that's stuff that we're discussing there.
Auntie, good evening, no?
Come on, come back here. Where do you think you're going to? Waka waka.
Mama's room, I want to sleep
there tonight. Want to sleep where? Please, is it Mama's room you're going to sleep in or Uzi's room?
Odibeze, mind yourself, oh. Odibeze, mind yourself, oh. Yeah, Chidima, show your ear.
Shut down your dirty trap.
She's pointing at me.
Do I blame her? Don't know your mate saying.
She has me hash now.
Mama's room, Abi. Oh yeah, Hanlele, Mama's room. Go now!
You believe that?
I said go, and please close the door behind you.
Nonsense girl.
Rubbish,
foolish. You believe that?
And you
I'm not laughing though.
You're a real troublemaker.
Wait, you believe that? You believe that she's going to Mama's room? You will be here and she will carry belly.
She will want it now.
Yeah.
If she gets pregnant, she will deliver it. Oh, everybody on their head though.
I don't talk my own.
See, please leave this girl's matter. I hope she closes the door. See, that thing that we discussed. I hope that guy is not listening.
Door is locked.
I thought about something.
You need to see your face. I better talk directly.
You know what?
Talk now, waiting.
I've been on my mind, yeah? I want to go and see my Charlie Bobo.
You just wake it up. Oh, you not talking about Charlie Bobo?
Before. But honestly, there's this thing I have this man. Man has been taking me. Man is doing me.
Why?
I'm scared.
Ha! When are they here? What's going to scare you? Now what for you?
Shift one side.
You know I'm arrange.
No, sorry. Come closer. No shift.
Shift first. How want take two now? Because me, I want one for call. Understand? Yeah. I want take two now. I want take corner now. So if I put on the thing, go just clock, boom. You know that kind.
Don't get up.
I get that.
I get
you
too much.
It's
not tell me now. What did you?
It's the tea. You to the rush.
My blood they are.
Calm down.
Okay, don't go.
I just get up now. Baby, can call me Arrange baby.
Hey, Arrange baby.
Formati baby.
Formati baby. Arrange.
I too much. Let she hear that.
She feel to listen. No.
Our business. What did they do? Like, calm down now. Follow my lead.
Yeah, what is it? What are you here? Huh? Why are you here?
I'm waiting to you.
What do you mean waiting to do me?
Sorry now, I came to apologize. I know you're so upset. But you know how to do what I did now. Papa was staring at us. If I hadn't pushed you down, a lot of problem would have emerged. Don't worry, don't be offended.
Leave me alone, please.
Sorry.
Why are you taking me to?
Sorry.
No, I don't want. Leave me, I don't. Leave me, oh. I don't like it. Huh? You really got me shocked. I'm telling you. I was surprised that you could treat me that way.
I know. Sorry. I had to do that now. Or Papa will focus up.
Okay.
You going out? This one, you're all dressed up.
Yes, I actually wanted to go somewhere. You know, my that's father is late. So the burial ceremony will be coming out sometime next week. We want to arrange some things like people that supply the drinks, the food, the canopies and chairs and all that. So that's
Una don't get to go prepare the food.
Yeah, we have one catering service they call African pot.
African pot, I don't know.
Yeah, if you taste it, it's you. African pot. Taste it, I swear to God, you have epilepsy. I'm telling you. Just touch it now, you fall down.
Make I hear. See, if I arrange that is here with my sisters, it goes sweet past that one. And we go share the money.
I don't want that. You know your dad now. Don't get me involved doing that one.
Abi?
Yes, so
I'm today beforehand.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, so when I go there, the African pot?
Today.
Today?
Yes.
Okay. What time? You know time?
Around 11 this morning, 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. But you should say na 11, you no go past 11.
Yes, it won't be beyond 11 actually. But even if it's past 11, maybe 5 minutes past 11.
But it go be 11.
Oh God,
that
what kind of damn question is that? Am I taking one?
Sorry, now my
what was that?
My love, no thanks. I just want to know.
Sorry, where did you just go? You mean that? Call me again.
My love.
Now that I've passed the JAMB and Waye questions, can I now enter the university?
You don't come again. Yes. You know, as I asked you now, your
what I am
to
saying
get
actually
ready for
is yes. I mean,
you don't come. You know, saying you like this too.
You don't like this.
Wait.
You don't wait.
Come now, come. Hey.
Now what? The one said she get married this year. So I should do what? I should not marry you this year. You're stupid. I did my list. I said you are very stupid. Huh? If she wants you to get married this year, go and marry her now. I don't want to marry a poverty man. You're so poor. I don't want to marry you. Is it by force? My friend, get out of my phone, my friend. What bitch human being? But seriously, I'm tired though. I'm really tired. Take a good look at me now. Am I not a fine babe? I represent well. Every day I will see. Okay, next day I saw Ade. Ade did not have money. He came to marry me. Of course I will say no now. Because my father loves someone that has money. David came the other day. He doesn't have money. Then God now helped me. I managed to see somebody called Martin. Then Martin, he did not even talk about anything that has to do with marriage. And that guy is loaded, fully loaded. The person that can make my father jump up and down. But he's not talking about marriage. Now what do I do? See, this man I've been hearing on TV and radio, they call Dangote. If he comes to marry me today, God knows I'm going to go. Even if he's to be his 10th wife. I'll go now. Because the man is loaded. Overloaded self, they worry the man. Even the one they call Sanusi, CBM money. Who doesn't want it? See, honestly, I'm tired though. I want to get married and at least leave this house. I'm tired of being in this house though. I'm tired though. I can't take this anymore. I'm tired. Hey, God, you're listening to me. I'm tired though. I'm tired.
Hey, Mama, okay. What is it?
Believe me, please.
Is it that stupid girl? Is it Choma?
Here! Choma. Yeah? Choma will make me cry. I will break crying to do.
So why are you now crying?
Just leave me alone first.
You know what's happening? Anyway, may we leave that one aside for now. This thing where you go now. Go change.
See, seriously. Sure, you came and saw me in a very bad mood. I am not in a good mood at all.
Calm down. Your blood today hot. What did they do you? Yeah? Person they here, they arrange things. One give you the format, they the phone. You they go African pot. Nah. Go change. Time no day.
You say it's African magic or African sport? To go and look for who? My father or my mother?
I don't know.
Not lie.
You want joke?
Wait. Ma, catch my breath.
I said go change. Now 11 o'clock. I know say you don't dey knock
my. Wait me. Just touch me. I just sleep. I feel like you say, ma go see.
Now Charlie Popo they go there.
Hey! Wait till the next for now.
I'll make you there by 10:30.
Hello, Yoma. Yeah, how are you? Yes, I'm okay. I'm fine, yeah. Yes, I was thinking I would go to African Port by 11. Yeah, wants them to offer catering service for Dasbury. Okay. I need your help. Yeah. Perhaps we could have a date. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Alright, I'll pick you up. Osi! Osi!
Oga?
Come here! Where is Susie?
I never see me.
Does not come to work.
I never come
by this time. And I decided to help you, to be kind to you, and now you want to misuse it?
I'm sorry.
Remember, you're just a common driver. That is your duty in this house. Listen to me. If you repeat this again, if this happens again, I will deal with you.
Yes, sir.
Idiot.
Yes, sir.
Go and put on something decent.
Thanks, sir.
Fool.
Thank you.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Success, Oga, sorry.
Go back to the duty post.
You bring it back one night.
What's all this? Is it because I'm being kind to you people in this house? What's this? What temptation is this? I hope nothing affects my date. Gosh. Yeah, how are you? I'll get a bottle of wine for us.
Hey! Hey! Charlie Bobo is looking so handsome. Hey! What do I do? Just go.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, Charlie Bobo.
Sorry, may I have an idea of the person I'm speaking with?
Please come off those questions. How was the trip? I hope you had a safe trip down to Nigeria.
Can you remind me, please? Who am I talking with?
They don't have my number anymore. Okay. It's Chidema. Your Chi.
So, where's your present location?
I'm at African Port. Yeah. I'm standing outside. Oh, please, can you just like come out and give me a minute? I'm sexy and I know it.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Dear, you give me a minute. I'll be back soon. Okay?
It's fine.
Hey, it's coming over. Charlie Baba. Come over here now. Why are you like this? Hi.
Okay. Sorry, were you the one speaking with me on phone?
Of course now. What's that?
I see. May I have an idea of where and how we met?
Why are you doing as if you don't know me again?
Alright, please hold on, let me confirm.
Oh, okay. I told you it's me. Oh, like seriously. Even if you've lost your phone and you lost my contact, at least all these things you're saying is not enticing.
I see.
Me or...
Okay, I really don't recall though, but it's okay.
No, seriously, even if you forgot
my pleasure to meet you.
Please come off it. Give me a look of food.
Oh, please. Can you just stop? No. Listen.
Oh, Charlie.
I'll talk to you later, okay?
Where are you going to? Are you leaving me here? Hey! Wait. What just happened? Hey! Chidema. Hey! Chidema. Hey!
You know, what are you doing here?
You, Uncle, what are you doing here?
So all this rubbish you've been doing in our neighborhood is not enough for you, and you're here to repeat it. When you know that he is my Oga's son.
And so?
And so you've been kissing, romancing, manhandling, in fact, manhandling him. When I've been asking you to give me all these you Arsenal and Manchester and you're doing Shakara, what happened eventually? He boned you.
He did what?
He boned you.
Me?
Yes.
He boned me?
Yes.
In which country?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something,
Yeah.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Yes. Yeah, you're sexy and you know it. You know what? That's how we roll. Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey, that's how we roll, man. Shit. You know what I'm saying? Hey yo.
I'm serious. Why not listen to me? It's just a coincidence.
Child, someone called you. You went to answer. You were even hugging and kissing. Yet you don't know her.
Listen, can I explain to you?
Charles, you should have told me. You should have told me.
Let me explain to you. I don't know her. Can I talk?
Take me home.
Oh, your man.
Take me home.
Listen. Can you please listen to me? Can you just hear me out?
Charles, please take me home. Please.
Hey, come here. Come here. I said come here. Where are you coming from?
Out.
What do you mean out? Where is out? Where are you from? Huh?
Papa, I said I went out now. I went out. I'm just coming back now. What is it? I'm not in a good mood though, please.
Who is supposed to be angered? You hear me? Eh? Let me warn you. This one is jumping from one small boy's house to the other. Small boys, can you imagine yourself? Eh? Make sure you close your legs always. And don't bring in my house the 20 liters Tommy.
Oh, Mama, please. Please, Papa. I'm not in a good mood. With due respect to you, don't start. Please.
Do you have mouth to talk to me when I'm angry with you? Eh? Chidima, you're walking out on me. You're walking out on me. Hey, I'll cook Adi Uwem.
See, I've never been humiliated in my entire life before. I got the worst embarrassment of my life today. From Charles, I'm telling you.
Look at this girl walking out on me. My own daughter. So I have a co-landlord in this house with this authority. Chidima. Why is that?
Time to leave me alone.
No. Leave me.
Papa, you know your...
I gave birth to this girl. What kind of person is my daughter?
Papa, calm down.
Huh?
Papa, calm down. You know your blood pressure, please. Calm down. You, what is it now? What did you do to Papa?
What did I do? No, ask him, what did I do? I went out, I even came back early because of Papa, and still not me rest in this. What is it?
She's still provocative, can you see that? No atom of apology? Hey! When Effiong was Effiong. Come, Abasi. Come, Abasi.
Take and see. She don't grow finish. You calm down.
Grown up where?
Chidima is a grown up lady.
No, where are the features? Is it a small breast? If that one enters somebody's mouth, the person will still be hungry. Ask him for more.
Papa, you can still press something out of that breast though.
But it's not possible. The mouth is too big for her. See, she should be very careful.
Okay, so how will she now get married if she doesn't go out of this house?
It's not by jumping from one small boy to the other. Those who cannot even buy ordinary gari.
She's a big girl. She doesn't jump from small boys to another. Well, Papa, still sorry.
Don't you know you girls are my investment? Don't you know you girls are my investment? You're my investment. Oh, cook adi uwem.
Papa, sorry.
Cook adi uwem.
No, sorry. I'm apologizing now. Sorry.
Why should it be you apologizing? Did you find my trouble?
You apologizing to you.
Papa, sorry.
Can you see what she's saying?
Hey.
Did you see the provocation in her mouth?
Papa, Papa, leave this girl. Papa, leave this. Calm down. I be one gist, two one gist, forget that gist. I mean, actually, is it chicken or
sometimes I regret being her father.
No, it has not got to that.
It has got to that.
No.
What does she have that makes her to brag?
Papa, you know she's your size.
Which size?
Height-wise now.
Don't say that. So if girls come now to compete for men, will she come out?
Papa,
can she compete with you?
Is that her long nash that is stopping her?
Which long nash?
No, her nash is long.
Pointed as if it's a weapon of war. You can't compare with your own. Your own is balanced. Looking like an umbrella. Where you enter and you have rest. You have deserved rest.
Papa, I don't want you to be upset.
No, you see, she made me to be upset.
I don't want you.
I wish every one of them would be like you.
Papa, you know I want to give you something. Is it goat meat or chicken? Or should I just bring both of them same time? I don't like it.
See, keep on making me happy. It's enough for me. You don't need to buy me anything.
No. Me, I want to buy you.
Your behavior is enough for me to be happy.
hear me out? Please, just listen to me. Listen. I swear to God, I don't know her from Adam. Today's the first time I'm seeing her. I don't know her from Eve. I'm serious.
Charles, I've told you. You can do anything you want. You can have any woman of your choice.
I don't want to have any other woman apart from you. You are the one I want. Now, Onyema, listen to me. I've been longing to tell you this. I love you.
Please, don't just say anything you don't want to say.
Listen to me. I am not confused. I'm telling you this from the very depth of my heart. I love you so much. I do.
Are you sure?
I'm so sure. You're the one I want.
Well, I don't think there's any reason for me to be here. I think I have to excuse the two of you.
Please sit. Chief Odogo instructed that you must be here for this.
Yeah, relax, it's okay.
My father, Bariso Kreke CA, instructed that I should be here to read this will as Chief Odogo's final wish. I proceed. It states, I, Chief Odogu Felix, hereby state as my final will that my property and all that belongs to me should be shared between my first son, Uzikwendo Odogu, and my last son, Charles Okechukwu Odogu, in the ratio of 55% for Uzikwendo and 45% for Charles.
I am really confused here. I don't understand what's going on. Are you sure it's me? The same me, Uzikwendo, that you are talking about, or someone else? Me, a common driver?
I don't get this.
Yes, you are Mr. Odogo's first son. He couldn't get married to your mother because of class differences. So he brought you out on your mother's request. She was his help in Guinea, where you were conceived.
So you're my brother? So you are my brother? No wonder they say that blood is thicker than water. See how you've been treating me fine, treating me nicely, like your brother.
Uzi, you are my brother.
You are my brother.
I can't believe this.
My brother.
This funny dude.
You are my brother. Oh, God is great. God is wonderful. God is great. Huh? Look at me. It is good.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Uzikwendo, here is a letter from your father. In it, he wrote everything you need to know. I'm happy you've handled everything quite well, even your father's burial.
Yeah. I'm so pleased that my dad has finally been laid to rest.
Wow. When are you traveling back?
Well, I intend traveling next week.
Oh.
Please. It's okay. It's okay. Calm yourself down, okay? See, I'm traveling to go seal up a few ends, then I'll be back. All right?
Are you sure?
I am so disappointed in you. Don't ever pretend to me. So this is who you are. This is who you are. You think I don't know? You think I don't know? This is your kind of person?
What have I done?
You ask me that. You ask me, you want to know what you've done. You want to know what you've done, right? You really want to know what you've done? Well, baby, this is my way of telling you that I love you and I want you to be my wife. Sweetheart, please marry me.
I will. Baby, you almost broke my heart.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
He's when? Hey! To the back!
Yeah, Commissioner. Yeah, definitely, for sure. Yeah, I will be there. Okay, and I will let you know when.
It's a lie.
Hey! Yeah, how are you?
How can you swear?
Just hold on a moment. Yes, yes. So I will let your PA know. All right, thank you. Can I go?
Papa!
Hey! How are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking sweet.
Thank you. Is this your car?
One of my car? No. With my. This is one of my cars.
Yeah?
Your car?
My car doesn't have money.
Hey!
There's more. That's what.
Who am I seeing?
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, you caught me doing this. I'm sorry. Actually, it's me. It's me, really. You see, I actually came to tell you that God has blessed me. You see, when God points His touch at you, even if your enemies remove the batteries, it will keep shining because it's a divine touch.
What you are saying is true.
Yeah.
It's true.
So this is just one of my cars.
You are the owner?
One of my cars, and that guy in there is my driver.
You are paying him?
Monthly. Then the other tall guy standing there is my personal assistant.
You pay him also?
Monthly. He just started work, really. And I want to bring in a gate man here for you to guard you for security purposes.
You will pay him also?
Monthly. I will. And I want to show you something.
You said he's one of your people.
One. He actually just started working, so like two. What of my people? Open it.
Hey!
Oh, Coco, Andy,
Yes, and your husband. I'm sure this will take care of it.
Oh,
Help you and hold it.
We'll do that next time.
And I want to tell you one special thing.
What is it?
Listen up, everybody.
Yes.
Yeah, all of you want to hear? That's lovely. I want to tell you that I'm interested in marrying your daughter.
Marriage?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. And I want the marriage to take place in 2 weeks' time.
It's too far. Do it today or tomorrow.
No.
Papa.
I want us to take it easy so that I can arrange and organize things.
We don't need to take it easy. Do it.
I also want you to suggest the names of musicians who want to come play for us that day.
Whoever is your choice is our choice. Yes.
I will organize the Ashanti.
Tell me how much that will cost and I'll give it to you. And your shoes and everything, eh? Yeah, so that's it. Yes. Sorry, just a minute. Hello, Commissioner.
Hey!
If I just told your boy that I might not be able to make it today, so I will write him a check for you. You keep begging, Commissioner. Don't worry, I'll send money across to you. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah, Commissioner, my friend.
Is that so?
Yes.
Hey!
Yeah.
See, my in-law, money turns a bush into expressway. My house is now expressway. Come, let's enter.
This calls for a celebration.
Yes, sir. Hey!
Let's go in. Come on.
I'll cook out here.
You'll come back and get the rest from the food.
I'll cook out here.
Sukwendo. Hey! See what you've caused. Me. Upon the press that he pressed your bomb of everything. He doesn't marry you.
Don't
he married a younger
if you
sister.
start with me, eh? It was you that caused it, though. I told you I'm in love with this guy. It was you that caused it. Now, Sika.
You told me in love with this guy.
Yes, yes.
You that went to pretend to him.
I did.
Liar.
Were you there? Did you know if I was pretending?
Choma is married now. Choma is getting married.
No, Papa has let him in.
Hey.
Just free me. Just free me now.
I'm now my father will marry. That is my name now.